Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, welcome back to your semester 2. You all have completed semester 1 and now we will start with our semester 2. So let us see from which chapter we will start. See, in your subject Value Education, we will start with our chapter 13, which is a very short and interesting chapter. What is the name of our chapter 13? The Stag and His Horns. So open your textbook and let us see the story. So take out chapter 13, The Stag and His Horns. So children, in this the value is disappointment. Disappointment means not satisfied. Why disappointment? Let us find out and see. We will understand the story. There was once a stag who lived in the woods. Stag means children a male deer. Okay, it is mainly a male deer. So see, I will also show you the picture here. See, this is a picture of a stag. Okay. Once there was a stag who lived in the woods, underline where the stag used to live, in the woods. Once he was drinking water in a small river. Once he was drinking water as shown in the picture. He saw the reflection of his horns. जब वो पानी पी रहा था, at that time what did he saw? He saw his own reflection. See. उसको अपने हॉर्न्स का रिफ्लेक्शन दिखा, ओके, इन वाटर. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? ही फेल्ट प्राउड ऑफ हिज हॉर्न्स एंड ही फेल्ट, वाओ, माय हॉर्न्स आर लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल इन द रिफ्लेक्शन. सो ही फेल्ट प्राउड ऑफ हिज हॉर्न्स. व्हेन ही सॉ द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ हिज लेग्स, ही फेल्ट अशेम्ड. बट व्हेन ही सॉ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ हिज लेग्स, जब उसको पानी में अपने पैरों की परछाई दिखी, at that time he didn't felt proud, he felt ashamed. While when he looked horns, he felt proud. Why so? Just then he heard the barking of a hunter's dogs. When he was drinking water and observing reflection of his horns and legs, that time what happened? He heard बार्किंग ऑफ हंटर्स डॉग्स. जो हंटर के डॉग्स थे उसको उसकी बार्किंग सुनाई दी. ही रैन अवे एज फास्ट एज ही कुड एंड वो वहाँ से भाग गया. एज फास्ट एज ही कुड ही रैन फ्रॉम देयर. हिज थिन लेग्स हेल्प्ड हिम टू एस्केप. एस्केप मीन्स वहाँ से बचने के लिए. हु हेल्प्ड? हिज थिन लेग्स. He was feeling proud of his horns, but horns ने help नहीं किया. भागने के लिए किसने help किया? His thin legs. See, he realized that his ugly looking legs were his real friends, and that time he realized that I was feeling proud of my horns, but actually my legs are my friends. Though they are ugly looking, but my legs are my friends. Soon his beautiful horns proved an enemy to him. And soon what happened? His beautiful horns. Before some time he was feeling proud of its horns. Now it is soon his beautiful horns proved an enemy. Because जब dogs आए तो horns ने तो कुछ help नहीं किया. They got entangled in a bush. Now why enemy? Why horns became enemy? Because they got entangled in a bush. Entangled means कुछ झाड़ियों में वो फंस गए उसके horns. He tried his best to release himself and he was trying to release himself, but he could not succeed. But he failed again. Then reached the hunter and trapped the stag. And what happened? Hunter वहाँ पे पहुँच गया and he trapped the stag. उसने stag को पकड़ लिया. The stag realized that due to these beautiful horns, he got stuck and is now being trapped. And then he realized that I was feeling proud of my horns and I was feeling ugly and ashamed because of my legs. But because of these beautiful horns, Now I am trapped. Okay, so you should not just focus on materialistic things. Okay, you should not just ignore that this is ugly, I will not talk to him. No, you should value everyone. Never judge anyone on looks. Okay, from this you can learn that you should not judge anyone on basis of their looks. For the better understanding of this chapter, I will show you a short video. So children, see the video carefully. The stag and his horns. See, he is stag and once he was going to the river. Why? To drink water. See, he has reached to the river and now he is drinking water from the river. That time he saw his horns reflection. उसको अपने horns का reflection दिखा and he felt wow. He felt proud. I am so beautiful. And then he saw reflection of its own legs. Then उसको अपने पैरों का reflection दिखा. But he felt bad that my legs are very ugly. Then what happened? उसने किसकी आवाज़ सुनी? Dogs, the hunter's dogs. And he started running as fast as he could. And then he realized that भागने में तो मुझे मेरे legs help कर रहे हैं, not my beautiful horns. So he was running and what happened? He got stuck in a bush. His legs are helping him to run and horns are not helping. So he was thinking in mind. And then see, suddenly his horns got stuck in a bush. So what happened? He was thinking that I was feeling proud of my horns and now because of my horns I am stuck here. And hunter came and trapped the stag. So he was thinking that today because of my horns I am trapped and my legs were saving me. So this is the lesson that you should not judge anyone on basis of the looks. Now what will be your homework, children? Students, before giving the homework, first you have to understand the learning objectives of this chapter. The secret to every success lies within the person concerned. That means the secret to success lies within our own self. One should respect all who are worthy of respect. You should respect all those who deserve respect, including oneself. You should respect your own self also. No temporary feeling or setback should ever subdue one's respect for one's own self. That means no temporary feeling or negative thoughts should be obstacle in your path. High self-esteem is crucial for a life of dignity and values. That means high self-respect should be there. Only if you love and respect yourself fully, you can love and respect others. Like in this story, deer used to find his legs ugly. So only if you love yourself, first accept yourself the way you are. Only then you will be able to accept others. So I hope you have understood the story. And children, we will discuss the exercise part in your live class. Till then, what will be your homework? You have to write this true or false as your homework. Okay children, I hope this is clear for you. We'll meet in our next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.